Visiting Paris 2024 during the Summer Olympics has a ton of changes and restrictions in place. It's important to be prepared. After this video, you'll know how to make the most of your visit to Paris during the Summer Olympic Games 2024. Let's take off on this transformative travel journey. See you in Europe. First, let's talk about the places that will be closed during the Olympics. The Trocadero, the prime spot for capturing the Eiffel Tower, will be off-limits starting July 16th. The gardens will close on July 1st, and pedestrian access will be heavily restricted. Instead, consider heading to the Champ de Mars, where you can still get a great view. The Seine Riverbanks will also see significant closures due to the setup of viewing platforms. The closures will span key sections, impacting pedestrian access along the river. Despite this, you can still enjoy boat tours that offer a unique perspective of the city. Some sections will remain open for picturesque walks along the river. The Alexander III Bridge will be closed to vehicles from May 17th to September 20th. Pedestrians can still use it. This is one of the most beautiful bridges in Paris. Lastly, the Place de la Concorde will be closed to vehicle traffic from May 17th to September 25th. This major public square will be part of the Olympic venues, restricting access, but still allowing for some pedestrian movement around its perimeter. But don't worry, Paris still has plenty of stunning locations for your photo shoots. Parisian streets and cafes offer a charming and unique backdrop. My Déjà Vu Photos even prepared offers already alternative plans for elopement shootings during this time. For instance, Rue Crémieux, known for its colorful houses, is a hidden gem perfect for vibrant and quirky photos. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur provide picturesque settings with iconic architecture. The steps of Sacré-Cœur offer a panoramic view of Paris. The artistic vibe of Montmartre's streets is ideal for capturing the essence of Parisian life. The Louvre Museum grounds are perfect for romantic and family photos. The courtyard, with its glass pyramid, provides a modern contrast to the historic museum building, creating a visually stunning background. Additionally, there are many lush gardens like the Luxembourg Gardens for a more serene setting, offering plenty of photo opportunities without the crowds. For a touch of exclusivity, consider private venues or Parisian rooftops. Mark your calendars with these key dates. The Olympic Torch Relay will pass through Paris on July 14th and 15th, 2024. This event will be a spectacular display of the Olympic spirit, with the torch making its way through iconic Parisian landmarks. The Olympic Games will take place from July 26th to August 11th, 2024. Expect the city to be buzzing with excitement, with events spread across multiple venues. The Paralympic Games will run from August 28th to September 8th, 2024. To ensure a smooth experience, plan ahead and book your accommodation and transportation early. Secure your hotel rooms or vacation rentals well in advance, as demand will be high. Create a flexible itinerary that allows for spontaneous discoveries. While it's important to have a plan, being able to adapt will help you make the most of unexpected opportunities. Use public transportation, as it will be the most efficient way to navigate the city. The Paris Metro, buses, and trams will have special schedules and routes to accommodate the influx of visitors. Be aware of metro and tram station closures and plan your routes in advance. Key metro stations like Trocadero, Concorde, and Champs-Élysées, Clemenceau will be closed during the Games, so familiarize yourself with alternative stops. Beyond the Olympics, there are numerous cultural events and local festivals to enjoy. The Cultural Olympiad will feature French sports, arts, and heritage, providing a rich array of cultural activities. Explore the vibrant atmosphere of neighborhoods like Le Marais, Canal Saint-Martin, and Saint-Germain-des-Prés. These areas offer a mix of history, trendy boutiques, and charming cafes. Check out museums, theaters, and local festivals for unique experiences. For example, the Paris Jazz Festival in Parc Floral is a summer highlight, offering great music in a beautiful setting. Pay attention to the security perimeters around competition sites. The red and blue perimeters will restrict motorized traffic, but allow pedestrian and cyclist access. Register in advance for access passes if you need to enter restricted areas. Security will be tight, so be prepared for checks and follow all guidelines to ensure your safety during the Games. For an authentic Parisian experience, wander through lesser-known neighborhoods, enjoy local cafes, boutiques, and markets away from crowded tourist spots. Areas like the 11th arrondissement or the Beauty Chaumont Park offer a quieter, more local feel. This reminds me of Versailles, one of the top 10-day trips around Paris. Known for its opulent palace and stunning gardens, it's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. But this is the topic of another video. See you in Europe.